Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly achieve what they want in life, while others feel stuck no matter how hard they try? Here's the secret. It's not luck or magic or wishful thinking. It's a science, and this science is called the law of attraction. Our mind has a built-in capacity to convert our thoughts into reality. And as a neuroscience coach, in the next 5 minutes, I will be talking to you about what the law of attraction is and how it can be used in our daily life to attract what we want. Stick with me till the end, because what I'm about to say can change your life forever. The law of attraction is the idea that whatever you focus on, you attract that in your life. It can be a negative or a positive experience or a thought. Think of it like a magnet. If you are constantly thinking about problems, then you are more likely to notice and attract more problems into your life. But if you focus on solutions and positive thinking, opportunities start to appear. Let's try to understand the law of attraction by using an example here. Let's say that you have a plan to get a new car. Alright, it's there in your head and you keep on repeating that. What happens next is that you will start noticing different kind of vehicles, different kind of cars, and you'll compare the features. Your mind will also stop by whenever you see an ad of a car and you'll see the pricing. Your mind will also start working extra hard to plan for the funds and collect it. And one day, everything works in harmony to make sure that you get your dream car. It also works in other circumstances. Like let's say you are making a plan to travel somewhere. Then you'll start noticing that there will be more videos, more advertisements related to travel on your social media pages. It's not magic, again. It happens because of the fact that whenever anything related to travel comes to your feed, you'll give more time and you'll engage with similar kind of contents more, due to which the algorithm of the social media pushes or sends you more reels or videos related to travel. So everything will already be there around you, but you will start noticing them only when the thought inside of your head matches with what's outside. So the subconscious mind plays a very important role in the law of attraction. Now let's try to understand what the subconscious mind is. Our mind is divided into conscious and subconscious mind. The conscious mind knows the difference between good and bad, but the subconscious mind does not know the difference. Anything that is inside the subconscious mind is considered to be true, and it attracts similar kind of feelings. 95% of our behaviors and actions are controlled by the subconscious mind. And that is the reason why a lot of people take negative or wrong actions even after knowing that it's not good for them. A lot of people cannot come out of addictions because they do not think or they do not take actions based on the conscious mind, but subconscious mind controls it. A lot of people cannot get out of a toxic relationship because the emotions, the feelings, the thoughts are controlled by the subconscious mind. There is a part of our mind called the Reticular Activating System that filters out all the unnecessary information and only keeps things that you focus on. And when something is set inside your subconscious mind, everything around you is attracted based on what is there within. So be very careful about what you put inside your subconscious mind. Now that you have understood the law of attraction, let's talk about how we can use it in our day-to-day life. The first thing that I want you to do is visualize your goals clearly. A lot of times we know that we want to be successful and we want to make more money, but we do not exactly define what success is for our mind. We do not exactly define what being rich is to our mind. So let's say that being able to take your family to a really big vacation means getting rich for you. Then you can visualize yourself on a vacation on a beach with your entire family. If you want to buy a house by being rich, then visualize yourself building a new home and imagine yourself being inside it. The next thing that I want you to do is write it down. When you write something down, you make it easier for the subconscious mind to absorb it. So whatever you want, I want you to write it down every single day. The third thing that I want you to do is practice gratitude. When you are grateful about something, the mind attracts more things for you to be grateful about. So at the end of every single day, try to find at least one reason that you are grateful for. And doing this for an extended period of time can bring massive changes in your life. The law of attraction is within everybody's reach, including you. It's not about finding magic. It's about aligning our thoughts, actions, and emotions towards the goal. If you want to attract more positivity and confidence into the life, subscribe to the channel because there is more coming up.